IITJEE.
Hi, Science Lab!
What up, folks? Let's check out this acceleration time example. If the acceleration as a function of time is given by a of t equals at, and your initial velocity and position is given as 0 at time 0, what is x of t? Well, this is not too bad of a problem. The principle we have to use is that acceleration is simply the derivative of velocity. So to go from velocity to acceleration, we use the derivative d dt. To go from acceleration to velocity, we use the integral. Likewise, to go from velocity to position, we use the integral. And to go from the position to the velocity, we use the derivative. Okay, so with this schematic in our setup, in our minds, how can we use this to solve this example? Well, we know that our acceleration versus time is at. So we can write this one as at. Well, now we want to get our position function, right? X of t. So we want to get from here to here. So we got to use the integral, right? We're essentially going backwards from acceleration to velocity to position. Let's do it. So if I take the integral of this one with respect to time, I'll end up getting my velocity. So what does that happen to be? Well, since I'm integrating with respect to t, my velocity will be at squared over 2 dt. But, there's a plus c. But we don't have to worry about it because our initial velocity is 0. So you can forget about your plus c. Now, we got our velocity. How do we get our position? Once again, we take the integral. So take the integral of your velocity and do it with respect to time. And what are you going to end up getting? Well, let's see. We're going to pull out that half, take the integral of at squared with respect to time. And what we're going to end up getting is half at cubed over 3. And what does that simplify to? Well, it's simply at cubed over 6. And is that an answer choice? You bet it is. It's choice C. Thanks for watching this episode of IITJEE Physics, and we'll check you out next time.
Embedded plus MKO plus scaffolding equal learning. We believe anyone can learn anything. That's why our motto is memorization is a crime. And that's why we partnered with Brilliant.
Brilliant transforms math and science into hands-on activities so that you too can understand everything from first grade math to E equals MC squared. Barry Science Lab and Brilliant is your MKO and will give you the scaffolding to expand your ZPD until you become the next Sir Isaac Newton or Albert Einstein.
Visit brilliant.org/Barry Science Lab today. And the first 50 of you to use that link will get a 20% discount on the Brilliant annual subscription.
Don't forget that you too can become the next Einstein. So let's fall in love with math and science.